In this video, I'm going to show you how to create columns in Padlet. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is head on over to padlet.com and make sure to sign into your account. From here, I'm going to create these columns on a blank board. So I'm going to go ahead and choose blank board. Now I want to give this a title. I'm going to change it to my name, tutorial whiz. Then from here under format, this is where we can add these columns. So go ahead and click on columns, stack content into vertical columns, and then click done. And then you can see section 1 with a little plus icon and add section next to it. Now, if you want to add multiple columns here or sections, go ahead and just keep on adding sections depending how many you want. So if you want 5, clicking that till you got 5 sections. From here, you got a little plus icon. So if you click on the plus, you can put a subject in, and also you can write something cool inside of here. And then from here, you can also upload a file. You can link camera, photo album, image search, and you even got more attachment types here that you can put into that. Now, if you want to go ahead and share your Padlet, you can go ahead and click on the little share button here, and you can add some collaborators. You can share it like so, links, and also export it as well.